Okay, today we are going to look at this problem. It said the equation of a cycle is x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. 1. Find A, the coordinates of the center of the cycle. B, the radius. Amen. We are going to look at this problem, and I will show you on how to solve A and B. Let's try solution. Solution. We know that the equation of a cycle is given as x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, let me just do a rough sketch. We know that our cycle, we have it in this form. This is our center. Here is our radius. Center C, it means our G is negative and our F is negative at point X, Y. Amen. So now, what they are asking you to find, they said find the coordinate of the center of the cycle. It means they want us to find this G and F. So we are going to compare this equation with the general equation of a cycle. Is that clear? So let us write down the general equation of a cycle to compare with this equation of a cycle. We know that, or you know that the general equation of a cycle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Do you agree with me? Okay. So if you agree with me, it means we are going to compare this and this. Look at this equation. You discover that this equation of a cycle is of this form, true or false. Note that here we don't have coefficient of x squared. Likewise, we don't have coefficient of y squared. True or false? And if you look at the general equation of a cycle, there is nothing like coefficient of x squared and y squared. It means it is in order. So now, what you need to do here is we are going to equate this and this. You don't need a prophet to tell you. Let us look at it this way. We now write, if we equate 2gx equals to 8x, amen, and equate 2fy equals to minus 2y. Are you following? So if you agree with me, here we are going to, this and this will cancel, true or false. So we'll have 2g equals to 8. Likewise, this and this will cancel. We now have 2f equals to minus 2. So for us to obtain our G, amen, for us to obtain our G, we are going to divide through by 8. Divide through by 2. If we divide through by 2, we will have 2G all over 2 equals to 8 all over 2. This and this will go. Amen. Then our G is equals to 2 to 8 1, 2 to 8 4. Is going to G is equals to 4. But don't forget that at the center, your G is always negative. So minus G is equals to 4. Then by the time you multiply through by the minus, you are going to have G equals to minus 4. Do you agree with me? The same thing applicable here for us to obtain our F. It implies that we are going to have 2F equals to minus 2. Then if we divide through by 2, we are going to have 2F all over 2 equals to minus 2 all over 2. This will cancel. Then our F is equals to 2 to 8 1, 2 to 2, 1. So we are going to have minus 1. But go back to the center where you know that your F is negative. So you now write minus F equals to minus 1. You multiply through by the minus. You are going to have your F is equals to plus. Is that clear? So now the coordinates will now be, C, okay? Let me write it this way. Can I clean this side? It's okay. So if you agree with me, the coordinates A, that is our A, the coordinates of the center of the cycle is center G, F, where you know that your G is what? 4, your F is what? 1. Do you agree with me? Okay. So if you agree with me, let us look at the B part of the question. The B part of the question says, find the radius. What you need to do, you know that the radius is given as square root of G all square plus F square minus C. Amen. G square plus F square minus C. Are you following? Now, we are able to obtain our G and we are able to obtain our F. The C is unknown, but you don't need a prophet to tell you. You can obtain your C without one telling you by equating this equation with the general equation of a cycle. When you look at it, you know that the general equation of a cycle is of this form. S squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So it implies that your c is this 8. You don't need a prophet to tell you. So we now write where g is equals to 4 and f is equals to 1 and c is equals to 8. So now our arrow is equals to square root of g is 4. So 4 square, only bracket square plus f is 1. 1 square. Our c minus c, which is 8. Amen. Then our arrow is equals to square root of 4. That is, sorry, 4 square. 4 square means 4 square implies that 4 times 4, which is what? 4 times 4 will give you 16, plus 1 square means 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times 4 gives you what? 16. We write 16 here. Then 1 square is 1 minus 8. Are you following? So our arrow is equals to this 16 plus 1 will give us 17 minus 8. Amen. Then 17 minus 8 will definitely give us 9. This is equals to 9. So our r square is equals to 9. So square root of 9 will give us 3. Therefore, our r, the radius, is equals to 3. This is how to solve these types of questions. Any question? If you don't have question, thank you. Please like and subscribe to the channel and make sure you share it with your friends. Thank you and God bless you.